Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today happens to be the very first time you are watching any of my videos, make sure that you do subscribe to this channel. After you are done subscribing, don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that henceforth, anytime I upload a new content, you get notified that Get Techie has published a new content. If you are interested in making money online, or probably want to know how to create a website or how to become a blogger or an influencer, then this channel is made for you. So don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can make $50 each and every day online. Yes, you don't need to do any hard work. All that you need to do is to get a smartphone and, if possible, a mobile data. So let me quickly take you through how you can make $50 online each and every day. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So the first thing we need to do if we want to make $50 each and every month online is to go to any web browser of your choice. To me, Chrome is the web browser of my choice. So all that I need to do is to select Chrome, or is to open my menu and then search for Chrome. So as you see, Chrome is here, so let me select Chrome. Then wait for it to open. Now that Chrome has opened, all that I need to do is to go to the address bar. And then when I go to the address bar, all that I need to do is to type yazin.com. yazin.com. The Yazin is spelled as YAZING.com. Then you go. So guys, this is the official page for yazin.com. This is the official page. So since today is actually our first time, all that we need to do is to join now. And as seen over there, they've written, get paid for every purchase you make and influence online. So you are getting paid for a very small task. So all that we need to do, as I have said initially, is to join. So let us join. Okay, in order to join, we need to fill this form. That our username is being needed, our email is being needed, and a creation of password, and then a confirmation of the created password. So username, let me say Get Techie Official. Get Techie Official. My email, let me say gettechie@gmail.com. Then I need to type a password. So let's say gettechie.com. Then a confirmation of the password. So gettechie.com. Okay, so we needed to confirm our password. That's why we typed the password twice. Now, all that we need to do is to register. So let me click on register now. They are saying that the email is not correct, in the sense that the dots didn't come. So .com. Register now. Welcome to Yazin. You are on your way to earning significant cash rewards on everything you buy and recommend online. So as they've told you, you are on your way to make a lot of money online. Yes, all that you need to do is to recommend. It's a very small task. So let's continue. The next step, activate your account, and then we just sent you a confirmation email. please click on the activation link to get started. So they've sent me a confirmation email, and then I need to confirm my email address. So with this, I have to use my laptop because the laptop works faster than the phone. So let me use my laptop to confirm. I'm using my laptop to confirm. So let's wait for a short time. Okay, use another account. So I'm trying to verify the account on my laptop. Without verifying my account, I wouldn't be able to. Okay, so I just opened my account, and then they've sent me the message. Yeah, so I need to verify. Okay, so I am activating my account. Okay, account activated. So if you were using, or if you are using your phone to do it, then all that you need to do is to go to your email. The message is being sent, you click on activate your account, and you get your account activated. But in my case, I used a laptop to activate my account. So all that I need to do is to log in. So let me log in because I've activated my account. So I need to log in with my username, and because I saved my credentials, they are already there. So all that I need to do is to click on sign in. Okay, so according to them, join picked and get $50 off first box and free shipping. Okay, so they have the category here, and all that you need to do is to select a category. But before then, they've written get paid cash for the purchases you make and the deals you promote. Okay, so let me select a category of my choice. There are a host of them. We have alcohol and beer, we have animals and pet supplies, we have arts and entertainment, we have auctions, we have B2B, we have babies and kids, we have charity, clothing and apparel, computers and accessories, consumer electronics, consumer services, COVID related, curbside pickup, department stores, education, erotic, financial, food and government, gambling, gifts, green living, group discount, hardware, health and beauty, holidays and occasions, household kits, local dish, luggage and bags, media, men's, office, sporting goods, tobacco, toys and games, travel, vehicles and parts, weapons, women's. So let me select a category of my choice. So let's say arts and entertainment. So now with the arts and entertainment, all that I need to do is to scroll down. So I have Paris City Vision, and then they have 8% cash reward, and we have shop to earn and then promote to earn. Okay, so it means that if, okay, before then, let's go to the next one. So okay, let me explain. So it means that if you are to promote on our side, we are going to promote to earn and not necessarily shopping to earn. We are going to promote, and if we promote and then somebody buys through us, we are going to get 8% of the money the person pays. Okay, so if the person is paying 1,000 Ghana cedis, we are going to get 8% of the 1,000 Ghana cedis the person is paying. Okay, then we have fans edge. that one too, we are going to get 8% cash reward, which means that if somebody is to buy this, we are going to get 8% of the money the person pays. So let's assume the person is paying 2,000 Ghana cedis. We are going to get 8% of the money the person pays. Then we have every season starts at Dex supporting goods. Then we have gig buying. Okay, this one too is 10%. And we have HP is 4%. We have hsn.com 1%. We have 3% here, 8%. Yeah, and some are 20%, some are 50% and all that. So it depends on you. Okay, and anything entertainment has small amount of percentage. Yeah. So now if it's Paris City Vision that I want to select, all that I need to do is to click on promote to earn. So let me click on promote to earn. Okay, so now they are saying that they've already given me some social media platforms that I can use to promote. Yeah, they have the Facebook, they have the Twitter, they have the Pinterest. So any of them that I want to promote the link on, I just select. But in my case, I want to share on WhatsApp. So all that I need to do, and if you can see clearly, there isn't WhatsApp appearing here. So all that I need to do here is to copy the link. So let me copy the link. Now I've been able to copy the link. Okay, so let me open my WhatsApp. Okay, so let me just open any message at all. Okay, so all that I need to do is to paste it. So I need to wait for the picture to appear. Yeah, I need to wait small for the picture to appear. I think there are network hitches and it's normal. So sometimes the picture would appear inside. Yeah, but in my case, because of network hitches, the picture isn't appearing. So let me send it to this person. So assuming this person needs it, all that the person needs to do is to click on the link. And when the person clicks on the link, it is sending him or her to the website. And immediately the person makes payment, I'm getting my commission, I'm getting my money. Okay, so I've sent it to this person, and I can equally share it to other people, share to as many as I can people, and immediately somebody buys, I'm going to get percentage or a commission from the buyer's money. This is a very simple and then easy way of making money online. So why would you waste a lot of time being online without making a lot of money, or without making even a peanut online? So like I said, if you are interested in making money online, if you want to learn how to create a blog, how to become a blogger, how to become an influencer and all that, then this channel is purposely for you. All that you need to do is to subscribe to this channel and then hit on the notification bell, so that henceforth, anytime I upload a new content, you are going to get notification that Get Techie has published a new content. Thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. Bye.